Gotta put it in neutral. Okay, so right now we're putting on the new hitch, so I gotta back it up to the garage. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Throttle. Neutral. Takes a while, you gotta pump the fuel until it's hard.
You might have to give it more throttle.
I did do that. I can give it more. Now we've got Rusty in the garage for a hitch, and Turbo's coming in for a new turbo. Oopsies. Working on two projects today. The turbo for Turbo and the hitch point for Rusty. I just cut a piece of metal sitting right there, and we're just gonna take this guy and set it like this. We're gonna weld it here, here, all the way down here, and then we're gonna take another piece from like here to here, weld it on here, and here. So I gotta grind this down now. So, yeah, the hitch is on here pretty good. Got it welded in a few different spots. It looks great. It's gonna be really strong, and I'm really excited to pull with the new hitch point, and we'll be using it at the Osceola tractor pull. Okay, so we took all the sheet metal off and the turbo off. Got the exhaust pipe sitting here. So we gotta put the turbo there and then hook it all up. And there's the old one. Avery's doing stuff, looking cranky. Here's the nice new one. And then we also put on some of these stickers. So it's pretty exciting to get this thing working again. Okay, so this is a new turbo. We're about to put it back on, or put it on. We do need to take this piece off, but just for, oh wow. Yeah, so that's the turbo, the turbine, or whatever you call it. And it shouldn't do this. So I'm just pushing on the other end, just for reference. Should not do that. As you can see, here's this side. Do the same thing and it just twists. It doesn't go up and down, it just twists. This one moves and it does twist. So, we got the 1175 turbo back on, this guy, and you've noticed two things. One, the exhaust doesn't line up perfectly, so that noise in the background, look over there, is my dad grinding it down. The other thing we noticed is, voila, the old turbo is a, you can't really see, but a 1.01, okay, or whatever that number is. It looks like, to me, to be a 1. Now, you come back over, come on. You can see this one says 1.15 right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm assuming it's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. And yeah, so we're about to put this on, and this goes like that, and then the exhaust pipe will sit on here, bolt in, sit on this, and go straight up. So that's how it's going to be. And this one, this turbo fits nicer. We did have to change 2 bolts for the oil, and the other one came with different bolts. So I'm guessing we had the wrong turbo or something like that. Maybe not the wrong turbo, but maybe just a different version of it. But this one seems to be better built and not as bad. It looks nice. Okay. So we're just gonna crank it with no fuel going to it to let the oil get in there, and then we'll push in the or keep the fuel line thing pulled out and then push it in and start it. It's probably good. Let her start up now. Put the stickers back on, starting it back up, new turbo, and yeah, looks pretty sweet. So with the new stickers, it looks pretty good, I gotta say. I'm really happy with the new turbo. It sounds great. Things running better than ever. And I'm really excited for the Osceola tractor pull. As long as we don't blow up another turbo, that'd be bad. But yeah, I'm just excited. It'll be a lot of fun. And I think this thing's gonna do great. We got a little bit bigger turbo. Might have a little more power. It's gonna be some fun. And then the 930's coming along. So thank you guys for watching.